Hello everyone. Today we're in Durham, North Carolina. We're going to do another hike today. Today we're going to do the Cabelands Trail. Now this sign says it's 1.2 miles, but on all trails it's like 5.7 miles. Don't know why there's a difference, but we'll find out. I think you already saw Star's here. She's sniffing around as usual. And it's a beautiful day here in Durham. It's going to be in the low 80s. Right now I believe it's somewhere in the low 70s. Sunny, beautiful, cloudless day. Perfect day for hiking. And I think there's going to be some climbing on this trail. I'm not sure how many feet, but a little bit of climbing. But it should be a fun hike. So come on along, join us, and hopefully you'll enjoy this as much as we do. I'll give you a little update too on what I've been up to. We've been here in this Greensboro, Durham, Raleigh area for the last 2 weeks. That was not the plan. The plan was to stay here for a day or two, then head to the Outer Banks to do some photography. But I woke up Monday morning, April 1st, with some severe lower abdominal pain. And as the morning progressed, it just got worse, and then it even transferred to my lower back, and it became really bad pain. So I drove to the emergency room, and even there the pain got even worse. I'd never experienced pain like that before. So they gave me some painkillers, and then they had a CT scan, and they found that I had 2 kidney stones, one on each side, in the tubes between my kidney and the bladder. So a surgeon was called, and he did a procedure where they put 2 stents, one on each side, to allow urine to flow between the kidneys and the bladder. Because if those 2 tubes had been blocked completely, it would have caused a big problem. So that was all done on April the 1st. Then I had to wait until Wednesday, this past Wednesday, the 10th. I had to go back into the hospital where the doctor blasted those 2 kidney stones with lasers and took the old stents out and put 2 new stents back in. And again, I had to stay in the hospital overnight because I had anesthesia. And they let me out early the next morning. So now this coming Wednesday, the 17th, I have one final appointment to go to the doctor's office where they remove the stents, and I'm good to go. Since I had the stones blasted, I've been relatively pain-free. I've been feeling good. Right now I feel pretty much back to normal, and I'm happy about that. So as soon as I get this last procedure done on Wednesday, then we'll start heading to the Outer Banks, and we'll do some photography there. We'll stay there for a few days. But until then, we're going to enjoy a day here. We'll do this hike, and need some good exercise. So for right now, I'm going to turn this off, and if I see anything else interesting coming up, I'll turn it back on. We're a half mile into the hike, and we've made it to the Eno River. Nice little river. Nice, beautiful little area here. Very pretty. And that's part of the trail, but we're not going that way. We're going to be heading this way. So let's keep going. Well, after walking back through the forest a little more, we hiked down a little bit of an incline, and we're back at the Eno River. And I think this trail is going to follow the river for a little while. Pretty sure there's fish in here because there was a gentleman that was at the trailhead when we got here. He had his fishing pole out. I don't know where he went to. I haven't seen him since. But he was doing some fishing, obviously. I don't see any fish in the water where I'm standing. I'm sure they're in there. It's very pretty. This will be a nice trail if it follows this river for a little while. There's some turtles out on that log over there. Hold on, let me see if we can. Let me see if we can zoom in just a little bit. You see them? There's a small one in the front and a bigger one in the back on that log. I'll try to get a picture. If I get a decent picture, we'll include it in the video. But again, like I said, it's very pretty here. Nice little breeze now too. Very comfortable for hiking. This tree fell down recently. I'll have to do some trail maintenance. Get the rest of this off of here. Alright, let me try getting a picture of these turtles, and then we'll continue hiking. I only got a picture of the smaller turtle. Bigger one jumped off before I could get the camera out. Another fallen log here. But we're just going to walk a little bit. I'll let the camera roll, and you can enjoy this view of the river as we're walking. And here's some nice birds singing in the background. Okay, the trail did follow the river for a little while, but then it turned back into the forest, and we've been walking a little while. Now we're coming up to this stone chimney. I guess there was, I don't know if there was a cabin here before, or this was just for recreational use to build fires and while you're out here camping. Maybe there was a building here because it looks like there's this foundation here. Yeah. Here's another piece of the wall. Some more stones there. More here. Interesting. So someone must have lived here, or maybe it's just a summer cabin. Nice chimney. Nice fireplace, I mean. Maybe it burnt down. Cool. Alright. Well, we did a little bit of climbing too, and we're up above the river now. I don't know if you can see down into the river here. Let's see if I can get a little closer. You can see how high up we are. There's the river down there. I see some people on the other side of the river. Not sure how they got there. I don't know if there's another trail on the other side or if they just walked across the river. I don't know. Well, let's keep going. Maybe we'll find some more interesting things to see. Pretty little area here. Nice little, I guess, meadow you could call this. Nice green grassy area. Pretty. Leaves are just coming out on the trees. Very nice. And this looks like a good spot to take a quick stop. We'll get something to drink. And then we'll keep going. Looks like we have to keep going that way, up this hill. It's nice. Nice little climb. Alright, we'll see you in a bit. There's a little stream that feeds into that river. And a little waterfall. I do mean little. That's nice. I know Star wants to jump in and get some water. Even though we just drank some water. There she goes. She's having fun. Are you done? Are you done? No? She bites the water. If you would stand still, you wouldn't make the water all muddy. Alright, anyway, looks like she's done. Continue. Now she's shaking, my legs are all wet. Everything's back to normal. Alright, we're going to keep going. Well, we're about 3 miles into the hike. 2.8 something miles to be exact. We'll come up to a road here. And the trail does continue on the other side of the road just for a little while, not very far. But I think because of my poor planning, we started later than I'd wanted to. It's getting close to lunchtime. I want to turn around and get something to eat pretty soon. So we're going to turn around. And let's see, we'll walk up to this bridge. And I think we'll turn around from there. So it'll be pretty close to 3 miles. Another 3 miles on the way back, 6 miles. That's a nice hike for today. I'm happy with that. Let's see under this bridge. Maybe there's a troll. You never know. I know there's a dog. Partially wet dog. It is a beautiful day. I think most of the week is supposed to be like this. Alright, here's the bridge. And as expected, there's no trolls. Alright, we're going to turn around here, head back. Alright, we'll see you in a little bit. So relaxing hearing this water run over these stones. If I'd planned better, got an earlier start, I'd sit here for a little while longer and just enjoy the sound and the nice beauty of this river here with these rocks, but we don't have time. Right across the way. Remember I was saying people were on the other side? There is a trail on the other side. There's a dad and a little boy. They're having fun in the water. Another couple hiking on the other side with their dog. I don't know if you can see him on the camera. Anyway, we'll keep going. Alright, now we've come to the least favorite thing I ever want to see on a trail. And it's a snake. I don't know if you saw it. He just slithered off. It's just a black snake, nothing dangerous. But I don't like it just the same. I'm not a snake person. Be well, Mr. Snake. Alright, almost done with this hike. I think we got a little more than a mile to go. Okay, we're just about back. Well, we are back here at the parking lot. Nice trail. Very nice trail. Nice hike. Beautiful day. Well maintained. Easy to follow. Even though I forgot to check the map a couple times and did make a couple of wrong turns, but that's totally my fault. The trail is easy to follow if you pay attention. And we did a little less than 6 miles. Looking at the All Trails app. Let's see. Can you see that? 5.41 miles, 534 feet of climbing, 2.5 hours. The reason we didn't get 6 miles in is because I took a different trail on the way back. That shaved a half hour, not half hour, half mile off our hike. The only reason I did that is because I was getting hungry. I wanted to get something to eat. Come on, let's go. This one dawdling. Where are you going? Come on, let's go. Come on. Good girl, back in the van. Let's go. All right, well, we're back. There's the van. And I'm going to grab something to eat. Star's going to get something to eat. And I hope you enjoyed that as much as we did. So until the next time, keep smiling. All shall be well. And be grateful for everything you have. Thanks for watching, everyone. And if you enjoyed this or some of our other videos, please do us a favor. Subscribe. Also hit the like button as well. Thanks again. Have a great day. Bye.